Hello everyone, Samuel here from CreativeTradingSystem.com, making this video as a weekly recap on trades taken last week, which ended today at 9 and September 12th, right? So let's get started. This is pound USD on the 8th for 100 pip to the upside. And after that, you can see gold, a lot of trades in gold. So this is 350 pips on 8 from 500 box size buy orders right there. And the gold, let me show you the chart basically. The chart I made a long time, not long time, but August the 18th, right? And this was the chart that's saying that this is wave one, this is wave two, and we're going to go up for wave three to the upside. Wave three of this wave five. Wave five is starting from here, and this is like wave one, two done, and three, four, five supposed to be coming soon, right? So this is what's supposed to be happening, and look, this is what happened so far, right? From here, exactly wave three started, and then we probably have ended wave three and all the way to the top. So that's why you're going to see a lot of trades, long trades in gold, big trades, right? So let's go back there. So like I said, that this was 340 going to the upside. Then again, after that 340, it's from 200 box size on the 8th, and this is Nasdaq going to the upside, 220 point on 8 buy orders right there. And you're going to see some more gold. Gold again. See this on the 8th going to the upside. So it was like keep going, retracing, keep going, retracing, entry from different charts. USD yen here, 140 to the downside here, right? Um, and on the 9th. So the entry was on 8 and then continue. The 9th started right here. This is 8, ended here. 9th started here. So it's 8 and 9, 2 days worth of this one. Pound yen on the 9th, 80 pip, sell orders right there. And this one, euro yen, sell orders right there, 75 pip on the 9th. And on the 9th, also CAD yen. See, yen was getting strong, so all yen pair went down. And this is sell on the 9th, so 100 pip. And then again, 500 box size gold, right? So this was, I was showing my entry was here as well as the harmonic pattern called butterfly pattern was there, right? So this is like an ending butterfly. So I was pointing out and then I posted on the Telegram and explained that this thing probably is going to drop from here because it went to 127 extension of this drop here and probably going to drop. So that's 200 from here to here, 200 pip more on the 9th. Oops. And let me see. Yeah. On the 9th, on the 10th, 95 pip on this Euro Aussie. Even though I was expecting, and I posted the chart, a 40-minute chart on the Telegram saying that it might going to go up, might gonna bounce and go up. But what happened is that it was there, I think it's like 127 extension, but it decided to go to 161 extension. So went down more. That's it. So pound Aussie did the same thing. Euro Aussie and pound Aussie both supposed to be going to the upside, but they went down. So I took this one. Remember, those two levels for retracement and two levels for extensions are the most important thing. Price 90% of the time goes one of those levels. Retracement either is going to stop at 61. If not, then it's going to drop more to 78 and then bounce, right? And similarly, extension is going to be 127, the turning point. If not, then 161, and then the price will make the turn. So if you try your entry at 127, and then it backfire and it failed, and then basically it is now going to 161. So then you get the entry after touching the 161, and that would be the good entry. Anyway, so yeah, this one here, Euro Aussie 90 pip to the downside on the 11th, and this is on the 11th, pound Aussie again from 20 minute all the way to the downside from here and then here, and this one also I took it, to see right here, right? It says mistakenly 7 minute, but it is a 20-minute chart. Um, and then I had pound yen going to the upside. So these are the 14, 15 trades last week. So you notice that last couple of weeks are slow, very slow, around 13, 14 trades. When I have a busy busy week, usually we can go easily around 25 trades, right? But this is it for now. And, these are the, slow week for some reason. And 14, yeah, or 15 trades altogether we have, including gold, Nasdaq, and all that, right? But next week, hopefully, I have very, very good couple of things are setting up. And next week, hopefully, we'll have more trades. So let's see what happens. Now, a couple of things that I want to share that, first of all, on my website, this is a free Telegram group. You can join here if you are not already a member. And in this group, I post, I mean, like updates, right? About, what we are doing and how the trades are going and all of that. Now, so it's very good to see that what and how we are doing, and then if you like and you think it's worth it, then you join our group, and then you will be the part of the other Telegram group, right? That is specifically for my paid subscribers. Now, another very important thing on my website you can see is, let me show you, this affiliate program that we have added on our website. It is an official, become an affiliate. This right here, you can become an affiliate means you can get the link of any of these pages or the products that, one-on-one coaching, courses, or combos, right? Or EA, and promote. You can generate your own personal link, and then you can promote that link. And whoever comes here and sign up for anything on my website using that link, you get 25% commission. So this is a very easy and very good way to make extra money uh, from my website, right? So the Telegram is covered and the affiliate program is covered, and you can hear, when once you become an affiliate, and then you can always come back and you will be given your login, username and password, so you can just come and then go ahead in your account and see what the heck is happening, right? How many people come and how much money you have made. All right. So very good and easy way to make some extra good money. Now, another thing that we were having a discount going on, right? Which ended already, but some of the people have, asked, inquire about it, and then they didn't sign up just yet. But if they want, they can still, using that link that I gave it to them, they can sign up, and they will still get the discount, right? Whoever has the link already got it during that time, right? And whoever already have signed up, you guys have the one-on-one, in that, lifetime premium package, right? So you have one-on-one and you haven't started yet, then email me so that we can schedule and start your one-on-one, which is free because you already signed up that discount premium, the lifetime, right? So these are the couple of things just wanted to mention. And what else? What else? This is it now, right? So, like I said, that right now, Friday, 10 p.m. You have Saturday and Sunday. Go out there, enjoy, and then come back Monday, and we will start trading again. Right. So in the meantime, maybe Saturday, I will make a couple of more videos, one for gold and one for Nasdaq and S&P, and then probably one for Bitcoin separate, right? So sign up for my, subscribe to the YouTube channel so that when I make the video and then upload, so you will get notified on time and you can take those, advantage of those setups that I show in my videos for the next week. All right. So this is it for now. And have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. And I'll talk to you guys later soon.